everyone, we are going to start a new chapter in the earliest cities. But before starting this chapter, there is a very interesting story about Harappa that we are going to discuss. Like about 150 years ago, archaeologists found a site named Harappa that was situated along the banks of river Indus. So Harappa is also known as Indus Valley civilization. So going back to story, 150 years ago, when the first railway lines were to be laid in Punjab, engineers by chance they discovered this site where they got high quality burnt bricks. They carried all these bricks from the old buildings, and consequently all the old buildings were destroyed. But after 70 years ago, archaeologists found this site called Harappa and realized that this was one of the oldest cities in the Indian subcontinent. After further survey, they found that there were many sites having similar features to like that of Harappa, and the whole area came to be known as Harappan civilization. It included the cities of Mohenjo-daro, Lothal, Cambay, etc. Now we're going to start a chapter. Harappan civilization, it is located in Pakistan, present day Pakistan. Harappa is one of the oldest cities in the subcontinent, and these cities were developed about 4700 years ago. The houses of Harappa civilization have a very unique feature, like these houses are rectangular or square in shape and have about 2 or 3 levels. The cities in Harappan civilization was divided into 2 or more parts. The part to the west was quite smaller, but it was on the higher platform known as citadel, and the part to the east was larger in area, but it was lower. It was known as lower town. Special buildings were constructed on the citadel, like the great bath, granaries, where only the houses of rich people were located. Now we can see the division of cities: a citadel on the western side and the lower town on the eastern side. It consisted the houses of common people. Great Baths, it is one of the most important archaeological feature in Mohenjo-daro. It has a wall which is made up of burnt bricks coated with a layer of plaster. To make it airtight, there is a layer of natural tar. There are 2 flights of stairs from the north and south side respectively. There are wells along the side from which water has been brought in and drained out after use. This bath was used only for special occasions by the people of high ranks. The houses in Harappan cities had 2 to 3 levels, and there were rooms built around courtyards, and there was a separate area for bathing. One of the most unique features of Harappa was the drainage system. Drainage system was highly organized. The house drains was connected to the bigger drains. The drains were usually covered, and there were inspection holes for cleaning. These drains were laid in straight line and had a gentle slope for the easy flow of water through them. All these features like houses, drainage systems, streets had been developed और built at the same time. Life in city, जो हरप्पा के रूलर्स थे वो क्या करते थे, लोगों को दूर दूर जगहों पे भेजते थे टू गेट मेटल्स एंड प्रीशियस स्टोन्स फॉर देम, और जो गोल्ड और सिल्वर ऑर्नामेंट्स होते थे और ब्यूटीफुल बीड्स होते थे वो अपने लिए रख लेते थे. Men, women and craft persons worked in homes or in workshops to make things. People एक जगह से दूसरी जगह मूव करते थे in search of raw materials. Many terracotta toys have been found there, which suggests that children of these areas usually played with these toys. Archaeologists have found that many of the objects found in Harappan cities, like tools, weapons, ornaments, etc., are made up of precious stones, shells, metals like copper, bronze, etc. Harappans also made seals out of stones and have usually animal carved on them. Harappans also made beautiful pots with black designs, many ornaments both for men and women, and also seals with language yet to be deciphered. Thank you so much for watching the video.